It's no longer just a prediction. We've now seen firsthand how Tesla packages and ships the first prototype of Tesla Optimus, seemingly gearing up for a product launch campaign that directly competes with the humanoid robot market in China. The shipping crate being opened before our eyes feels like the opening of an entirely new era, one that promises to be a true game-changer. How easy will it be to shipping and unboxing the Tesla bot? But before we begin, please help us reach 8,500 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Optimus and the latest news. What makes Tesla Optimus ready for delivery in 2026? Imagine the day when Tesla Optimus is officially delivered to your doorstep, packed inside a large sealed wooden crate. It could become even more extraordinary if it were programmed to unbox itself and step out of the packaging. All recent signs indicate that Tesla is ready to launch its robot on the market. In recent years, Tesla has been accelerating the development of its humanoid robot, Optimus, with the ambition of turning it into a revolutionary product, not only in the industrial sector, but also in everyday life. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, has stated that Optimus will begin sales to external companies in 2026, following small-scale internal production for Tesla in 2025. So what makes Optimus ready for customer delivery at this stage? From technological breakthroughs and strategic production planning to practical application potential, various factors are converging to bring Optimus from the lab into the marketplace, though challenges still remain. One of the most crucial factors is the remarkable progress in both the hardware and software design of Optimus. Since its introduction at AI Day 2021, Optimus has undergone several upgrades, with the Gen 2 version launching in 2023 and further improvements arriving in 2025. The robot now features hands with 22 degrees of freedom, nearly matching the dexterity of the human hand, enabling it to perform complex tasks such as folding clothes, using tools, or even playing the piano. Demonstration videos from May 2025 show Optimus performing household chores like taking out the trash, sweeping, and handling components on a factory floor. These advancements are powered by a unified neural network that allows the robot to learn from human videos, a breakthrough that dramatically accelerates its ability to adapt to new tasks. Milan Kovac, Tesla's VP of Optimus, revealed that the robot can now learn directly from first-person videos, with plans to expand to third-person perspectives, unlocking the potential to learn from videos across the internet. These developments ensure that Optimus is no longer just a prototype, but is becoming ready for real-world applications, an essential factor in meeting customer demand by 2026. In a photo revealed by an employee working at a Tesla showroom, Optimus was shown being transported with its head detached, a component considered the link between Tesla's vision system and its AI brain. This highlights the robot's ease of assembly, making it accessible even for the elderly or those without much technical knowledge. Tesla's production strategy also plays a crucial role in bringing Optimus to consumers. At the Q1 2025 shareholder meeting, Elon Musk announced that Tesla is preparing a pilot production line at the Fremont factory, expected to be completed by the end of 2025. The goal is to produce between 5,000 to 10,000 units of Optimus this year, with some units already being tested in Tesla's own factories. For example, transporting batteries from the production line into shipping containers. These trials not only help optimize the design, but also provide real-world data to improve performance. By 2026, Tesla aims to produce 50,000 units, equivalent to 10 legions of robots, as Musk metaphorically described. Leveraging its experience in electric vehicle manufacturing, including supply chain management and automation technology, Tesla is able to reduce production costs with an expected price range of $20,000 to $30,000. This is significantly lower than competitors like Boston Dynamics' Atlas, which costs $75,000 for a non-humanoid version. This large-scale production capability is a key factor enabling Optimus to be ready for shipment to enterprise customers by 2026, before eventually expanding to individual consumers. The real-world applications of Optimus are a major driving force behind its readiness. In factories, Optimus is designed to perform repetitive or hazardous tasks, such as handling heavy materials or working in harsh environments, helping to address labor shortages. Additionally, Musk has emphasized Optimus's potential to become a household assistant, capable of tasks like cooking, cleaning, or caring for the elderly. Its ability to learn quickly from video demonstrations, as seen in tests involving meal preparation or folding clothes, makes Optimus more versatile than robots limited to fixed routines. These applications meet the growing demand for automation across both industrial and domestic sectors, motivating Tesla to accelerate its market rollout. Furthermore, integrating AI from Tesla's self-driving system gives Optimus a competitive edge, enabling it to handle complex situations with high accuracy, a compelling factor for potential customers. Despite these challenges, the outlook for Optimus in 2026 remains highly promising. Support from NASA, including a research grant in 2024 to explore Optimus's integration into Mars missions, demonstrates its potential beyond Earth-based applications. Tesla's strategy of focusing on internal deployment before external sales ensures quality control and cost optimization, laying a solid foundation for future customer deliveries. Moreover, its competitive pricing strategy and rapid learning capabilities help Optimus stand out in an increasingly crowded market, where rivals like Agility Robotics and 1X Robotics are also ramping up development. What enhancements has Tesla Bot Gen 3 received to boost task execution speed? Similar to Tesla's self-driving tech, deploying a large network of Optimus robots essentially creates a massive distributed computing system, capable of executing tasks that a single AI system couldn't handle alone. With each software upgrade, the Optimus robot evolves, expanding its capabilities from handling 1,000 tasks to potentially 5,000 or even 10,000 in the future. For instance, while the bot initially could cook 10 meals, updates allow it to learn an additional 50 dishes per version, eventually enabling it to prepare any recipe with the right ingredients. One of the key improvements in Tesla Optimus is the integration of cutting-edge AI and deep learning frameworks. The robot now autonomously navigates through 95% of complex environments and responds in just 20 milliseconds. This responsiveness is powered by neural networks trained on vast amounts of data collected from an array of sensors and cameras. Through reinforcement learning and transfer learning, Optimus identifies objects, anticipates movement, and adapts to real-world challenges. Its advanced computer vision system uses LiDAR, radar, and visual cameras to build a detailed 3D representation of its surroundings, allowing the robot to detect people, avoid obstacles, and choose safe navigation paths in industrial settings. Tesla has also connected Optimus to its broader AI cloud infrastructure, mirroring how the company operates its full self-driving system. Each robot not only improves based on its own experiences, but also contributes to a shared learning system, enabling rapid development across the entire Optimus fleet. Reports from Tesla state that each Optimus unit processes over 10 terabytes of sensor and visual data daily. This data is uploaded to Tesla's central servers, where machine learning models are continuously refined. Thanks to this shared intelligence model, once one robot learns to complete a specific task, like assembling a new part, others can replicate it immediately, improving efficiency and reducing the time needed for training. Another major advantage of Gen 3 is its ability to receive software updates over the air. This approach, already proven successful in Tesla's EVs, allows for performance upgrades and new features without any need for physical adjustments. In 2024, Tesla released software version 3.5 for Optimus, which improved image processing by 30% and doubled overall data processing speed. As a result, the robot can now manage more than 1,000 different functions, from precision work on production lines to customer-facing roles in retail environments. Gen 3's hardware has also been optimized to fully support these software advancements. Powered by Tesla's Dojo AI chip, Optimus is capable of performing millions of calculations per second, delivering near-instantaneous reactions in dynamic environments. Connectivity is another cornerstone of the robot's design. Optimus can interface with other Tesla robots, cloud services, and internet networks. Notably, it's integrated with SpaceX's Starlink satellite system, ensuring global coverage, even in areas lacking cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. Starlink's direct-to-cell feature allows Optimus to link directly to satellites, meaning it can operate in remote locations, onboard ships or aircraft, or anywhere with limited infrastructure. All interactions, whether audio, visual, or behavioral, are logged and synced in real time with Tesla's cloud. Should one unit experience an issue or require servicing, its operational data can be transferred to another robot, minimizing downtime. By 2025, Tesla plans to deploy Optimus, primarily within its manufacturing plants to enhance workflow and streamline production. These robots can delegate tasks among themselves and work collaboratively, even without verbal communication, thanks to their network-based coordination. For example, when assigned to nighttime security duties, Optimus units can work together seamlessly using only their digital connection. Tesla's Optimus project, first introduced in 2021, aims to create a humanoid robot capable of performing tasks that humans find challenging or undesirable. Unlike Tesla's electric vehicles or SpaceX's rockets, Optimus represents a bold venture into robotics, with the goal of augmenting human capabilities. Over the past few years, Optimus has evolved from a rudimentary prototype to a sophisticated machine with human-like dexterity and mobility. The latest iteration, Optimus Gen 2, has garnered attention for two major upgrades: a hand with 22 degrees of freedom and a redesigned foot structure that enhances balance. These advancements, detailed in recent reports, mark a significant leap toward practical applications in real-world settings. The human hand, with 27 degrees of freedom, is a marvel of biological engineering, capable of intricate movements like threading a needle or playing a musical instrument. Optimus's previous hand, with only 11 degrees of freedom, was functional, but limited in its ability to perform complex tasks. The new 22 degree of freedom hand, as reported by Tesla brings Optimus closer to human-level dexterity. This upgrade allows the robot to catch a tennis ball, play the piano, and handle delicate objects with precision. Meanwhile, the improved foot design, equipped with force moment sensors and articulated toes, enables Optimus to walk 30% faster, weigh 10 kilograms less, and maintain balance on uneven surfaces. These developments raise a critical question. How can such advancements be applied to improve the lives of the elderly and streamline household tasks? As populations age worldwide, the demand for elderly care solutions is growing exponentially. Many seniors struggle with daily activities, from eating to dressing, and the shortage of caregivers exacerbates these challenges. Could Optimus, with its advanced hand, bridge this gap? The 22 degree of freedom hand is a pivotal innovation, enabling the robot to perform tasks that require fine motor skills. Unlike its predecessor, which struggled with delicate objects, the new hand incorporates tactile sensors that detect force, allowing Optimus to handle fragile items like eggs or glassware without breaking them. This capability, highlighted in a demo, is crucial for elderly care, where precision and gentleness are paramount. Consider the daily needs of an elderly person. Eating independently can be challenging for those with limited mobility or dexterity. Optimus's hand can grasp a spoon, fork, or cup with the same finesse as a human caregiver, ensuring that meals are served safely and comfortably. Dressing, another essential activity, often requires buttoning shirts, zipping jackets, or tying shoelaces, tasks that demand intricate hand movements. With 22 degrees of freedom, Optimus can perform these actions, empowering seniors to maintain their dignity and independence. Medication management, a critical aspect of elderly, also benefits from this upgrade. The robot can open pill bottles, measure precise dosages, and ensure timely administration, reducing the risk of errors. Beyond physical tasks, the psychological impact of such assistance cannot be overstated. For many seniors, relying on others for basic needs can lead to feelings of helplessness. By providing consistent support, Optimus could alleviate these emotional burdens, allowing elderly individuals to live more autonomously. However, this raises another question. Can a robot truly replace the human touch in caregiving? While Optimus excels in technical tasks, emotional connection remains a human. Nevertheless, by handling repetitive or physically demanding tasks, Optimus frees up human caregivers to focus on companionship and emotional support, creating a complementary. The hand upgrade targets precision. The improved balance of Optimus Gen 2 opens new possibilities for household tasks. The redesigned feet, equipped with force moment sensors and articulated toes, mimic the human foot structure, enabling the robot to navigate complex environments with ease. Videos shared of Optimus walking naturally, standing on one leg, and even performing dance-like movements. These capabilities are not just impressive, they are essential for tasks like trash, mopping floors and folding linens, chores that require stability and coordination. What do you think about this? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We hope to bring the best information to you. Please give a thumbs up if you like this. Join Techno Creator by subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will not miss out on any awesome videos. We value your feedback. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe and have fun.